Hi everyone, this is your pal Kate Hart here, and happy Wellness Wednesday. Today's juicing June recipe, we will be doing another fruit and vegetable mix here. Just a little note to point out here, what I'm going to do is just use up any vegetable leftovers before everything goes bad. So this is just going to be another one of those mix-up kind of days. And so let's get started. Okay, so some things we're going to add to our mini fruits and veggies. We're going to add a dragon fruit, golden apple, and with our mix-ups here, we got some beets, cucumbers, strawberries, watermelon, papaya, and of course some more dragon fruit and all, and celery, cucumbers, and carrots. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and slice these up so we can get going here. But you cut these up in wedges so it fits right into the machine. Part here is good. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Just pull off the skin. Comes off real easy. Whoop! Just be careful. It is a little slippery in the middle here. There's that beautiful skin. It looks like a flower. Okay, so let's take our dragon fruit and golden apple. We're going to start with that stuff, and then we're just going to go through the bag and grab what we can get until this baby is filled all the way to the top. Alright, so we're going to plug in our machine. Now, just to point out here, throughout the video, if there's anything, any kind of notes or whatever while I'm doing this, this is very loud on camera. So if I do, I'll put a voiceover audio track so that way you can just listen while I do my thing. Okay, so here we go. We're going to get ready to rock and roll here. Are you ready? Turn your machine on. I overfilled it just a little bit, but looks good. And don't forget to unplug your machine for safety reasons. So yeah, today I was able to add in just a chunk of watermelon there, and I did add a couple strawberries. So yeah, this is looking really, really good. Let's take a look at the final result here. That baby. Bam! And it is, or should I say, bam! And it looks like a margarita here. Now I'm going to take my blueberry extract. Alright, so cheers, mate. Happy Wellness Wednesday. Wow, very good. Alright, cheers mate. Happy Wellness Wednesday, and I'll see you in the next episode. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications.